Welcome back to our brewery farm life. It's New Year's. We're into 2021. This is exciting stuff, and hopefully 2021 is going to be an awesome year. We've kind of switched gears a bit for the month of January. We're going to focus a little bit more on getting our stuff done that we need to get done around the farm. Our online sales from our website, check it out, www.riverroadbrewing.com, and kind of on ourselves as well. Sometimes you need to take a few moments for yourself, and if anything, this past year has taught me that mental health, physical health is so important that I really want to take some time for myself this year and find some things that make me happy. So we're going to focus on those things as well, and I have to kind of figure out what those are, and I'm hoping that in the next few months I can start some fun new things. Yeah, so here we go, 2021. So the last few weeks, well, first of all, we didn't have a video that came out between Christmas and New Year's just because we took some time with our family.
My arm hurts. Can you please mix it?
You're the one who wanted to make a cake.
I think it's done then.
Oh, you think it's done?
Yeah. You know, it already has like too much sprinkles. I think you need more.
Ta-da!
Walk it up. We're good. We're good. Just passes and then it comes back.
So good morning. It's New Year's Day. It's 2021. Here's hoping that 2021 is way different than 2020 in a positive way. Not that 2020 was full of negative. It wasn't all negative. There was lots of times where we were like, this is actually working out really well. But it wasn't the best year. So here's hoping 2021 is a lot better. You never know. And of course, barn chores still need to get done. And it's kind of a tradition in our family, and probably a lot of families, that the Christmas tree cannot be in the house after New Year's Eve. Apparently it's bad luck to have 2 Christmas trees in 1 year. Wasn't something I followed when I was a kid, but my husband is adamant that the tree be out before New Year's Day. Is that just because he doesn't want to have a Christmas tree in the house at that point in time? I don't know for sure. But we do definitely every year make sure that the Christmas tree is out of the house by New Year's Day. So, I have this Christmas tree here, and I know for a fact that goats absolutely love Christmas trees. It's a proven thing, and every year I say I'm going to give it to them, but every year David decides to put it into a beer. So I'm going to try and be sneaky and put this in the goat pen, and if he really wants to put another Christmas tree in the beer, we'll get a different tree. But that's the plan. Could I have gotten the Kubota to come get this and put it in the back of it and brought it to the goat pen? Absolutely I could have. But what fun is that? In this case, I'm working harder, not smarter. But I drank some wine last night and I eat a lot of crap food. And I probably need the workout. Superwoman! Watch out, guys. Serenity! The goats are, I think, afraid. Oh well, as soon as they see what it is, they'll definitely come to it. Well, I guess donkeys like it too. Here comes Alice. Come on, Alice. Linda! Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of Christmas trees. Fraser firs. They smell divine. I don't really think you should be eating that. But the goats love to eat it. Come on! When your goats are so lazy that you have to go get the tree and bring it to them because they won't walk across the pasture. Ridiculous. I don't know what's more ridiculous, the fact that I have to do it or the fact that I'm willing to do it. You'll notice that everyone has no problem once I'm in here. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday, January 2nd, and I woke up to this amazing winter wonderland. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, as much as I hate snow and I hate winter, I can't really hate this. I don't know if I've explained to you guys or not, but our Highland cows are 100% outside. They don't live in a barn, and they don't go in a barn in the winter. Unless they're really, really sick or something bad happens, we do have a space for them in the barn, but these guys don't. They would be miserable if we put them in the barn. They actually develop an undercoat in the winter, which keeps them really snug and warm. And they are super happy to be outside. This is their jam. They love this stuff. They love the snow, unlike me. Yeah, so they're super happy. So the girls are definitely used to us. The calves are still getting to know us. They're very intimidated. So we try really hard just to slowly kind of introduce ourselves to them. We spend a lot of time with them. I would say I spend a lot less time with them in the winter just because I hate being out here, but I don't hate it. I shouldn't say that. That sounds horrible. I don't hate it. I'm just not as comfortable in the winter as I am in the summer. Hey, buddy. So yeah, just slowly kind of reaching out for them. If we get a chance, we touch them. We don't grab at them. We don't push it because you want them to feel comfortable. We also have to establish who's boss, because that's a 1,200-pound cow. I'm not that much. Hey, Bean. Holly, you're getting lots of horns too. You want to be a big girl? She's so much tinier than Hellboy. David's been working on a few projects in the barn, and he's completed one of the things that he really wanted to get done, and every single year he says he wants to get it done, and we never get a chance. So good for him. He got it done, and I think it's going to be helpful. David's building. Let's go see what he's doing. Hi.
Hi.
What you doing?
Nothing. Making firewood.
Doesn't look like firewood to me.
A whole pile.
What?
This is the only piece I have left. Means we won't have much firewood to heat it up.
What are you building?
What?
What are you building?
A tree fort. Oh, never mind. Look, miscalculated. Bonus.
Meow. The end result of what David has built is wind block. So these are some really old windows that we were given, and yeah, every year we say that we're going to put up a block here because this porch gets covered in snow and we like to barbecue all throughout the year. So this should help. Now we did notice that there is definitely still some, well, there's so many different winds coming all the time. So hopefully at one point we're going to build it all the way around the porch. And my idea was to get screens and put them in for the summer so that we had a bug screened area that we could eat dinner and not get bombarded with bugs. I think it's a great idea. We'll see how David feels about it in the summer. But the last 2 weeks we've had a few things that we've been working on. Cleaning out the barn was a big one and boy did it need to get done.
I like it, Dad.
Until he rams you.
Oh, yeah. There's the waggy tail. I see it now. It feels so good, Dad. Huh? You like that, little man? Yeah. Alright. Look at your little harem. They don't know what's going on. Huh? Alright. I'm going.
Whoa. Have you been doing your job? I'm going to find out today. Going to find out. Probably not. Probably not. No. Just living the life. Hmm? All the food and all the ladies. He's such a good boy. And I've got some good news. Somebody's gonna be a daddy. A daddy. Rusty the Ram has done his job. We have one that missed, but there's 5 other sheep that are pregnant. Most with twins by the looks of things. One with triplets and one single, so we'll keep an eye on them. It was really early when we did a preg check on them, an ultrasound. So my niece is going to come back in the next month, I think she said, month or 2 months, and we'll do another ultrasound and see where everybody's at. So congratulations to Rusty. Hi.
Oh, silly me. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't get down, you guys.
Okay, you guys don't help.
Got up there.
Let's see what you see now.
Yep. Not right
Yeah, right there.
moving. Yeah,
Here's a
she's
baby
good.
moving.
She's good.
Lamb's pregnant.
Nice.
How did you do that? You just grab back leg?
Yep, back leg,
And then,
nose to bump, and they'll naturally lean back. Okay?
that's cool.
Easier on your back.
Yeah, totally. Oh, why do you all have to come here? Huh?
Well, Rusty, you're earning your food anyway.
Yep. I'll put 2 on that one too. I see 3. Ah, triplet. Rusty. Oh, you've been busy.
Well, Rusty, you missed one. I'll leave the lights out tonight again.
A for effort, bud.
But yeah, save for effort.
So guys, once again, thanks for joining us. Have a great night. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll talk to you next week. Cheers!